If you've ever found yourself wanting to streamline your Jira workflow, tidy up unnecessary statuses, or simply declutter your project management views, then this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to remove statuses from a Jira workflow safely and efficiently so your project workspace stays clean and organized. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to identify which statuses you can delete, as well as how to add new ones if you need. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Jira settings. This is kind of like the main control panel for almost everything in Jira. So if you're ever unsure where to make changes, settings is always a good place to start. Once you're in settings, look for something called work items. Go ahead and select that. We're aiming to manage the workflow states that appear as tasks move through your project pipeline. Now, glance over to the left-hand side of your screen and find the section labeled Statuses. Clicking here gives you access to the full list of workflow statuses in your Jira instance. Imagine this list as all the different rooms your tasks can be in, like To Do, In Progress, Done, and maybe some custom ones you or your team have added over time. You'll notice that next to each status, on the right side of the table, there's an Actions column. Here's something important. If a status is not actively being used anywhere in your workflows, you'll see a delete option available for it. This means it's safe to remove, and deleting it won't affect any running tasks or current projects. Think of it like cleaning up old folders that are empty. Nothing critical is being thrown away, just tidying up. But what if you see statuses that do not have the delete option? Don't worry. This simply means those statuses are still being used somewhere in your Jira workflows. Maybe there are open tasks or projects that currently land in this status. Jira won't let you accidentally remove something that's in active use, which is a helpful safeguard. Now, if you're sure you want to delete a status, maybe your team no longer uses it, or you've deleted a space and all statuses inside it have become irrelevant, you can go ahead and click Delete. Jira will send a quick confirmation, just to double check. Once you confirm the status is removed. This part just takes a second, but double check before you click. The action is permanent for that status. If, on the other hand, you need to add a new status to support a new stage in your workflow, that's super simple. Look at the top right corner and find the Add Status button. Click here, enter the new status name. Think something descriptive and clear like in QA or on hold. Then add it. Your workflow will refresh with the new status ready to be incorporated into your processes. This is a great way to customize Jira exactly to your workflow as your team grows or projects get more complex. Editing statuses in Jira is really about making your project management as efficient and tailored as possible. Don't worry if you're hesitant as you delete or add statuses. Take your time. And remember, Jira safeguards you from making risky changes to live workflows. If you found this tutorial helpful and you're ready to keep your Jira workflows neat and powerful, go ahead and hit the like button. If you've got any questions or if you hit a snag anywhere in the process, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. And if you want more step-by-step Jira and project management tutorials, make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and good luck streamlining your Jira workflows.